Cam selected. Screen recording. Font. Select list. Select font. Selected. Speech off.
To go back to the main menu, swipe up with 3 fingers. Starting name that sound. Sound is car seat belt buckling. Perfect. Keep up the good work. There are 2 sounds left. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is fire truck siren. First rate. You completed this level in 3. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is car warning chime. Sound is car seat belt buckle. Great. You completed this level in 5 moves, and earned 10 points. Your game score is 16 points. And the fact for completing this level is, the movie Heart Like a Wheel is a story of drag racer Shirley Muldowney. To move to the next level, sound is fire truck siren. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is scraping ice from windshield. Perfect. Sound is car seat belt buckle.
Voiceover on. Blind. Close blind. Ho. Chat. Scan. Chat. You. Search. Search. Page. K. S. Sort. Me. Blind. Screen. Cellular. Ears. Slots. Slot. Ears. Cross. Here are a skip button. Blindfold sound search menu. Resume game button. Resume game. Top of screen. Resume game button. Voiceover off.
To go back to the main menu, sound is scraping ice from. Sound is truck passing. Sound is car seat belt buckle. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is tire deflate. Sound is car warning chime. Sound is antique car horn. Tremendous. Keep improving. There are 2 sounds left. Sound is bicycle bell. Good answer. Go again. Only. Sound is fire truck siren. Good going. You completed this level in 9 moves, and earned 18 points. Your game score is 48 points. And the fact for completing this level is, Toyota produces 13,000 vehicles a day. To move to the next level, sound is tractor idling. Sound is truck passing by. Sound is fire truck. Sound is car warning chime. Smashing. Keep up the sound is go-kart drive by. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is car seat belt buckle. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is antique car. Sound is tractor starting. Sound is scraping ice. Marvelous. You completed this level in 11 moves, and earned 22 points. Your game score is 70 points, and the fact for completing the sound is scraping ice from sound is car warning chime. Sound is go-kart drive-by. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is car seat belt button. Sound is bicycle bell. Superb. Go again. There are 7. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is tractor starting. You remember. Sound is truck pass. Sound is boat motor start. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is antique. Sound is antique. Outstanding. You completed this level in 13 moves, and earned 26 points. Your game score is 96 points. And the fact for completing this level is, in 1792 the first U.S. toll roads opened in PA and CT. To move to the next level. Sound is tractor starting. Sound is tractor First rate. Continue picking. There are 14 sounds left. Sound is car warning chime. Impressive. Go again. There are 13 sounds left. Sound is scraping ice from. Impressive. Make another good guess. There are 12 sounds. Sound is go-kart drive. Your guess. Sound is boat motor. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is car drive-by. Sound is truck passing. Sound is go-kart racing. Sound is antique car. Sound is antique car pro. Splendid. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is antique car. Sound is car seat. You got it. You completed this level in 15 moves, and earned 30 points. Your game score is 126 points, and the fact for completing this level is, the movie White Lightning, and sequel Gator, stars Burt Reynolds, moonshine and chase scenes. To move to the next level, swipe. Sound is car seat belt buckling. First rate. Make another. Sound is car drive-by. Sound is antique car approach. Sound is car dead battery. Sound is go-kart racing. Sound is car door close. Sound is tractor idle. Sound is scraping ice. Sound is boat motor starting. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is antique car horn. Sound is tire deflating. That's really nice. Pick the next sound. Sound is tractor starting. Terrific. Take another shot. There are 4 sounds left. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is car warning chime. Tremendous. Sound is go-kart drive-by. Sound is truck passing. Fantastic. You completed this level in 17 moves, and earned 34 points. Your game score is 160 points. And the fact for completing this level is, in 1953 Chevrolet introduces its Harley Earl designed Corvette. To move to the next level, sound is scraping ice from windshield. Your sound is car seat belt button. Sound is antique car. You got it. Take another shot. There are 16 sounds left. Sound is bus door opening. Marvelous. Pick the next sound. There are 15 sounds left. Sound is car revving engine. First rate. Do it again. There are 14 sounds left. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is track. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is tractor. Sound is car drive. Sound is car dead battery. Sound is antique car horn. Sound is car warning. Sound is go-kart drive-by. Sound is truck passing. Sound is car door close. Sound is fire truck. Sound is boat motors. Sound is go-kart race. Sound is bicycle bell. Great. You completed this level in 19 moves, and earned 38 points. Your game score is 198 points. And the fact for completing this level is, in 1960 all-weather antifreeze plus coolant introduced. To move to the next level, sound is boat motor starting. Now you've got the hang of it. Pick the next sound. There are 20 sounds left. Sound is car door close. Wonderful. Go again. There are 19 sounds left. Sound is car drive by. Sound is truck passing by. Sound. Sensational. Make another good guess. There are 17 sounds left. Sound is tractor idling. First rate. Sound is bicycle. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is go-kart race. Great. Keep improving. Sound is car dead battery. Now you've got the hang. Sound is tractor starting. Sound is antique car approach. Very cool. Make another good guess. Sound is go-kart. Sound is go-kart drive by. Sound is car warning chime. Sound is car revving and sound is police siren. Impress. Sound is scraping ice from. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is truck back. Sound is bus door opening. Tremendous. Sound is car seat belt buckling. Sound is tire deflation. Sound is antique car horn. Now you've got the hang of it. You completed this level in 21 moves, and earned 42 points. Your game score is 240 points. And the fact for completing this level is: sound is car revving engine. Sound is bicycle braking. Very cool. Sound is scraping ice from wind. Sound is bus door opening. Sound is car door close. Sound is boat motor fantastic. Sound is truck passing by. Sound is antique car horn. Sound is antique. Sound is police siren. Sound is police. Sound is bicycle bell. Fantastic. Sound is antique car approach. Sound is tractor idling. Good. Sound is truck backing up. Sound is truck backing up. Sound is go-kart racing. Sound is car seat belt buckling. Sound is car drive-by. Sound is car drive. Sound is car drive. Sound is tire deflate. Sound is van door close. Sound is car warning chime. Sound is car. Sound is fire truck. Sound is go-kart drive. No. Sound is tractor. Good for you. You completed this level in 25 moves, and earned 44 points. Your game score is 284 points, and the fact for completing this level is, the average 1999 model year automobile cost $5,674 per year to own and operate. To move to the next level, swipe. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is truck pack. Sound is scraping ice. Sensational. Sound is car drive-by. Sound is bus turn sig. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is car door close. Sound is antique car approach. Sound is car warning. Sound is antique. Sound is fire. Sound is antique car horn. Sound is fire truck. Sound is bicycle bell. Sound is go-kart drive-by. Sound is car revving and. Sound is van door close. Sound is bus door opening. Sound is truck backing up. Sound is tractor start. Sound is car seat belt. Sound is police siren. Sound is go-kart racing. Sound is bicycle. Sound is boat motor starting. Sound is car dead battery. You must be a prof. Sound is bicycle. Sound is bicycle brake. Sound is bicycle pump. Outstanding. Pick the next item. There are 19 sounds left. Sound is go-kart racing. You remembered. Pick the next sound. There are 18 sounds left. Sound is police siren. Sound. Duh. You can. Sound is car seat belt button. Congratulations. You got it right. Sound is police siren. Sound. Sound is fire
Voiceover
truck
on.
siren.
Blind
Sound is fire
voiceover
truck.
off.
Sound is fire truck. No. Sound is car warning. Sound. Sound is tractor. Sound is bus. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is tire deflating. Sound is tire deflating. You're learning fast. Sound is truck passing by. Good going. Give it a whirl. There are 15 sounds left. Sound is car drive by. Tremendous. Give it a whirl. There are 14 sounds left. Sound is bus turn signal. Smashing. Take another shot. There are 13 sounds left. Sound is tractor idling. Sound is car door closed. Impressive. Do it again. There are 11 sounds left. Sound is antique car approach. Right. Go again. Sound is car warning chime. Sound is fire truck siren. Sound is bicycle bell. You're learning fast. Guess again. There are 7 sounds. Sound is go-kart drive. Sound is car revving engine. Sound is van door close. Good going. Keep improving. There are 4 sounds left. Sound is bus door open. Sound is truck backing up. Sound is tractor starting. Good going. You completed this level in 27 moves, and earned 48 points. Your game score is 332 points. And the fact for completing this level is, in 1916, 55% of the cars in the world were Model T Fords, a record that has never been beaten. To move to the next level, swipe up with one finger. You scored 332 points in 12 levels, and beat your prior high score of 331 points. Congratulations! You should post your score to Twitter.